Oh, what do you got, buddy?
Okay. Kinetic Sand's construction site.
Oh, what are you gonna do with all that sand?
I don't know. Okay.
Are they trying to move the sand into the yellow bucket?
Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. So, okay. Okay.
Oh, you gonna make some bricks?
Yes. Okay. Make some bricks. Make some bricks. To knock it. Oh.
Oh,
Okay, make some bricks. Make some bricks.
oh, that's cool.
Make some bricks. Make some bricks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
How many bricks are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make a lot of them. Oops, sorry. Is it really melting?
I think so.
Look, I used all of this sand.
Yeah, that's a lot of sand you got there. Looks like a landslide.
A landslide?
You know what a landslide is?
Yeah, it's a landslide is it's a full of rocks that is a rock slide.
Yeah.
We talking about landslides.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's falling down.
This is a big landslide ever.